So, good morning. This is the example of Excel function. Then, here's the sample data. Loan amount $25,000. Then, number of months payment is 80, and then 20% rate for interest. And it's a monthly payment for loan. Now, this is the data. So, the goal is to get the months if the person pays $2,500 monthly. So we will be using what if analysis, which is the goal seek. So click goal seek, then the set cell will be the F1, then the value will be 25. Then by changing cell, click B2. So then click OK. Now then this is the new output, which is the month's payment will be 12, approximately 12. Then you can see this red highlighted numbers is the excess payment. So this it means that it is not counted anymore. So up to 12 months only. So that's the first example. So next will be this one, the moving average. It's the month of the year 1 to 12, then the demand every month. So the goal is get the average of these numbers. Depends on the month. What problem? Example, we want to get the average from 5th month up to the 12th month. So go to the options, add-ins, this analysis tool pack, then go click this one, then click data analysis and choose moving average, and these are other functions of Excel. So okay, the input range will be from the F1 up F2 to M2. Then the interval will be 1, and the output range will be B3, this cell. Then check the chart output, then click OK. Sorry. So click data analysis, then moving average, then this one, an interval set to 2, then click OK. So this is the output now. Then this is a chart from the moving average of these numbers. As I click the cell, this the function average F2 and G2. This is the interval. This is the interval of average. Starting from the 5th month and the 6th month, there's an average here. Then this one is the average of G2, which is the 5,400 and 4,400. So that's it, moving average. That's all. Thank you.